Hello Gemini, welcome back and thank you for joining Vision Stardust 777 reading. This is your work based, relation based reading for the month of July. This is your completely general reading, so please take what resonates with you, okay? And Gemini, I can sense that few of my Gemini uh, has been betrayed by this person so many times, not once, not twice, it is so many times. You gave an opportunity to this person hoping that they will get changed, hoping that they will put their effort in this relation, but every time you gave, you just landed in disappointment. And this is a particular time that you are realizing that whatever you do, or no matter how many times you give the chance to this person is not going to put their sincere effort the way you want, okay? They just not putting their effort in this relation. They are not just cooperating with you, okay? Instead of that, they are betraying you every time. So now you have realized this, and now you just you are in awakening phase, okay? And you are understanding that you have already invested so many time and energy on this person, but in return you got nothing. So you just don't want to put any effort now onwards, and you are just trying to watch their actions, their reactions, what they are going to do now onwards, okay? You just want to wait and watch this person for whether they are really interested in you or not. Regarding your past, in your past position, I can see the 10 of cup. That means you really struggled so much for your happiness, for your emotions, for your fulfillment, okay, with this person really gave was a challenge for you. Why? Because you were expecting a family, you were expecting a beautiful I sense that you were planning future with this person, but this person really treated you very bad. I can sense that this person neglected you a lot, and this person was not giving you emotional support, or maybe this person was they put you in a kind of limbo always, and they were not fair with you. So now your advice is either this person will realize that what they have done to you, and they will come back for your reunion, for your forgiveness, asking for your forgiveness, or else, okay, or else some new chapter in your life is going to open now some new person is going to enter in your life with all the qualities that you were hoping in a person, okay? Or else this person is going to realize that what they have done to you was not fair, and that was very mean of them. So they will just cooperate with you now in a sincere manner, in a good way. But if not, then definitely someone is coming on your way with all the qualities and all the emotional emotions, and all your like a blessing in your life, okay? You are manifesting, but even though I can sense that some of my Gemini is manifesting this person from past, or the present person who is not treating you well, you want to reunite with this person. You are manifesting for this person, although you already gave up from within, but even though you are hoping that this person will once again, now they will realize and they will give you what you deserve. And I can sense that maybe for few of my Gemini, this person will definitely realize and come back to you for your reunion and for reconciliation, okay? Regarding your work, Gemini, I feel that you are doing good in your job. You are some of my Gemini are very much publicly very much renounced, okay? People's respect you, people give you due respect, and you are very much you are shining in your own field, maybe in business, maybe work, maybe whatever in field you are in, you are shining, and you are you are doing your best. Okay. And regarding even though few restrictions are there in your job profile, in your job field, or in business field, a few restriction is there, but those restrictions are only created by you. You can free yourself at any time from this restricted position. Okay. Only thing that required is your passion, your creativeness, your action to release yourself from this situation. You can release yourself. Why? Because you are not that much in a very you are not in that much bad position, I suppose. Okay. The only thing is you need creativity, you need some passion, you need some action to handle or tackle with the situation. Otherwise, in your work field, you are getting the praise, you are getting your respect, you are getting the popularity. And some of my Gemini is spiritually very much advanced also. And regarding your work life right now, I don't sense that much difficulties there, but in your relation side, surely there is some problem. But new one will appear in your life. Okay. Or else this person, the current person, will realize and will try to reunite with you.